Hey there, online students. It's Dr. Beer coming to you on this wonderful fall day. I've really been enjoying the fall weather. It's been nice to have a little bit of cool, refreshing breezes as opposed to the hot, burning sun. But I hope you've been able to get out and enjoy it and really spend some good time outside. We've had kind of a busy weekend. I had my birthday on Saturday, and then my daughter had her birthday on Sunday. So we had a busy week celebrating, or busy weekend, I should say. But we also had some other things. They had a band competition on Saturday, and then we had a church picnic on Sunday. So just a lot of fun stuff going on. And of course, the nicer weather made it much more enjoyable. But you didn't log on to hear me wax eloquent about the weather. So let's dive into our material for this week. Tomorrow in NT113, we're going to finish our discussion of historical criticism and the 7 areas of New Testament discussion. There is a discussion question that is due, and so please get started on that earlier rather than later. I do want to point out, as we move into the module that starts on Wednesday, the end result of that will be the research paper outline. So this is a major step in the construction of your paper as you put together your argument and you put your logic together. Now I want to point out a couple of things about what we require from that research paper outline. First and foremost, it has to be a full sentence outline, meaning that every line in the outline must be a full sentence. It has to make a point. It can't just be a phrase. It has to make an assertion, as it were. And the outline needs to have, where was it? Here we go. Simple rules for outlining, meaning that you have to have at least 2 points under every other point. For example, you can't have just a letter A underneath a point. You have to have A and B because that's basically a logical rule about how things are going to be organized. And I'm going to ask for traditional Harvard-style outlining. Please use Roman numerals for your major points, letters like capital letter A, capital letter B for your subpoints, and then for further points beyond that, you would use Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3, etc. If you have any particular questions about what that looks like, please don't hesitate to let me know. But it's called Harvard-style outline numbering, and you can look that up online if you need any further guidance on that. But the long and short is that this has to be a very logical, coherent presentation of the major flow of thought of your paper, what you're going to prove, how you're going to prove it, etc., which you will then flesh out as you actually write the paper. So please contact me or your GTAs if you have any questions along the way. I hope all of you are enjoying the class and that it has been a spiritual benefit to you. My prayer is that the Lord will continue to form not only your mind and your understanding of this topic, but also your character so that you would become more like Christ. And so my prayer is that the work that we're doing day in and day out in this class will be exactly what God wants to make you into the image of His Son. Please let me know how I can help you, and if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll look forward to seeing you next week.